Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, a deemed to be university located in Navi Mumbai, is part of the D.Y. Patil Group, which operates over 100 educational institutions, primarily in Maharashtra. It has received 4.3 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting off with the 4.2 star rated placements. In the 2023 placement drive, the median package was 7.26 lakh per annum, and over the past 3 years, there has been an 81% increase in the median packages offered. Comparing with other D.Y. Patil Group colleges, the Navi Mumbai campus offers significantly higher packages than D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology in Pune. As per students, the highest package offered was 45 lakh per annum. Companies like TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, Accenture, LTI, KPMG, Infosys, and several others participated in the campus placements. The top roles offered include software engineer, quality analyst, data analyst, consultant, system engineer, data scientist, and AI/ML developers. Regarding internships, the campus provides ample opportunities. Students with a CGPA above 8 can secure internships more easily. DYPV offers various BTech specializations through Ram Rao Institute of Technology and School of Biotechnology and Informatics, including BTech in Cybersecurity, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Food Science and Technology, and Biomedical Engineering, among others. Eligibility requires a minimum of 50% in 10+2, except for Computer Science and Business System, for which minimum 60% is required. Admissions are based on JEE or MHCET scores. Coming to the cost, total course fees ranges from 8.4 to 18 lakh depending on the chosen specialization. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure, which is rated 4.5 stars. The 68-acre campus in Navi Mumbai is well connected to Mumbai, Pune and beyond, with the nearest airport being Mumbai International Airport 20 kilometers away and the nearest railway station being Nerul just 2 kilometers away. Students appreciate the smart, air-conditioned classrooms, large auditoriums, and well-equipped labs, including those of robotics, cloud computing, augmented reality, and fabrication. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled and has a spacious library. Hostel accommodations are allocated on a first-come, first basis, with preference given to outstation students. The annual hostel charges ranges between 1.25 to 2.7 lakh depending on the facilities availed. Dining options include several restaurants and cafes offering a wide range of food options. The campus also offers various sports facilities including basketball, football, a swimming pool and a gym. Medical services are provided by on-campus D.Y. Patil Hospital. Speaking of faculty, students are given them a rating of 3.9 stars and shared that they are supportive, well qualified and experienced. The curriculum is industry relevant, emphasizing hands-on experiences through lab work, projects and internships. Teaching methods include interactive approaches such as group discussion, case studies and simulations. Workshops and seminars keep students updated on current industry trends. International partnerships with Southern Cross University Australia and the University of Daffodils Bangladesh, along with tie-ups with companies like Absolute Motion, Linux and TCS, further enriches the academic experience. Ample research opportunities are available through sponsored and consultancy projects in areas such as cloud computing, digital forensics and robotics. Finally, regarding the campus life, which has been rated 4.6 stars. The gender ratio is 7:3 and the regional diversity stands at 3:7. The campus features over 50 student-run clubs and societies covering interests from astronomy to aerobics and politics to poetry. These clubs offer student opportunities to showcase their talent by hosting events throughout the year. Regarding the rankings, the university is currently positioned in the 201 to 300 rank band under the engineering category in NIRF 2024. For more details on Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, deemed to be university, Navi Mumbai, and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.